Hey there everybody, welcome back to FinBear channel. Today we're going to go over Sundial Growers. Stock ticker is SNDL. Before we get started on anything else, Sundial put out a press release this morning at 7 a.m. discussing the notice of the annual general meeting that is going to be on July 7th, 2021. I am personally excited about that. They are going to do it virtually, which means they will be able to pull a recording from that, and I might be able to pull the audio of that and post that to the channel on the 7th after it's done, if I can get access to it, so that you guys can listen to it at your leisure if you can't make it to the actual thing. So some of the cool things that are going on in here. The current nominees for election to the board of directors include existing board members Greg Mills, Zach George, Gregory Turnbull, and Brian Penny. Dr. Elizabeth Cannon has elected not to stand for re-election as a member of the board. So we're going to lose Dr. Elizabeth Cannon for the upcoming cycle. Greg Mills, chair of the board, is pleased to announce that the board has nominated Lori L. for election to the board at the meeting, effective July 7th, 2021. According to him, he says, "We are excited to nominate Lori as a new director for Sundial's board. Lori complements our board's skills and experiences, and we are confident she will provide valuable perspectives as we continue to execute our strategy and enhance long-term value for Sundial shareholders. The board thanks Dr. Cannon for her contribution to Sundial and wishes her well in her future endeavors." So it's exciting to bring on Lori as a new director. As it continues on here to say that Ms. Lori has over 25 years of broad-based executive experience working with multi-billion-dollar startup and mid-market companies in diverse industries, including technology, food manufacturing. Her most recent position is president of Growing Ideas, a business consulting practice located in Calgary, Alberta. She is also currently a director and chair of the board of Agricultural Junction, Inc., where she previously held interim president and CEO roles. Mrs. L is a certified public accountant, holds a Bachelor of Management degree, and holds an ICD.D designation from the Institute of Corporate Directors. She also sits on the board of the Sawbridge Group, which I'm not familiar of. She is director on 2 Canadian federal departmental audit committees and Crown Indigenous Relations and Northern Affairs Canada and Indigenous Services Canada. So it sounds like she's got a really interesting background, that she can work with the people and everything, and that she's got the background in the food and technology, which could be interesting for Sundial Growers and what they're trying to accomplish and, branch out a bit. They also add in here, our business is reported and analyzed under 2 operating segments, one being cannabis and the other being investments. Our cannabis operations centered in Canada cultivate small batch cannabis using an individualized room approach with 448,000 square feet of total available space. As a licensed producer that crafts cannabis using state-of-the-art indoor facilities, our craft at scale modular growing approach, award-winning genetics, and experienced growers set us apart. The Sundial's, I'm going to continue reading for you guys. Sundial's brand portfolio includes Top Leaf, Sundial Cannabis, Palmetto, and Grasslands. And our consumer packaged goods experience enables us to not just grow quality cannabis, but also to create exceptional consumer and customer experiences. So a lot of good things that are exciting. The forward-looking statement just saying, these are assumptions and such. But overall, I'm very excited for July 7th for this meeting that's coming up to see what is going on. And who knows, July 7th works for me because I got some, July 23rd calls expiring. There might be some good news on there, some rumors or such that I could bank on. We all know that while we are in a bullish trend, as you can see here, we're in a flag right now on the chart. We did bump up. We came down today, but we did bump up. Let me zoom in because this is the hourly candle chart. I always like to zoom out to see where we're going so that this stuff doesn't make me so sad. So we are bumping up, which is more than we've done recently. Normally, we haven't had any bump up, just consolidation after a dip. So here we dipped, and now we've bumped up a good amount. We might consolidate a bit around here at this 92.923 cents. Now, I would love to see us close above that tomorrow. That would be a very good indicator for us to show that we are on our way back up, which would make me very, very happy. Another interesting thing we have here is, see how we had a lower low and another lower low on the RSI, but here RSI has gone up to a new higher low in essence. That makes me excited because price went higher than this high. So we have a new higher low and a higher high right here based off of before. But even though we have a new higher low, price continued to go down, which means we could possibly be seeing a reversal happening, which makes me happy. Stocks as well as crossing up and moving upward. We've got good things going on here. I am excited. You know how I feel about Sundial. I feel that the industry itself is bullish. I think that it's going to expand and grow the more it gets legalized. I think right now is a great opportunity to buy these cheap, get things on sale. I know that this company has almost about 1.99 billion outstanding shares. I would not be mad at a possible reverse stock split to try to condense that number down, and we'll bring our value up a little bit higher. They worry me a little bit, but I would not be against seeing that, because the smaller that outstanding share number gets, the more room we have to grow, and the easier it is to grow our price point, and our valuation. So that's a personal thought on me that I like. So that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you found this useful and beneficial. I hope you guys are excited about July 7th and its meeting. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and share with your family, as we're trying to build a strong community out here, and so we can learn from one another. And I hope you're having an awesome week. I hope you're doing great things, and let's go make some money.